Stop trying to sound like American for a second. If you want people to understand your English today, let me share a mindset shift with you. If you have ever felt shy because of your accent, this will change how you see yourself. Well, in the beginning, I was terrified to speak English because I didn't sound American or British. I thought my Thai accent was a sign that I was good enough. I spent hours trying to twist my tongue to sound like a movie character. But then I realized something, a life-changing. English is a tool, not a performance. So, today we are talking about why you should stop chasing a native accent and start focusing on clarity. Well, think about the most successful people in the world. Look at CEOs, international doctors, or even the world leaders. Many of them have thick accents from their home countries. Do people stop listening? No, because they are clear. An accent is just a favor. It's a sign that you are brave enough to speak a second language. Your Thai or your own accent tell the world that you have the whole other culture inside you. The goal isn't to sound like someone else, but it's to make sure that someone else understands your idea. So if we aren't practicing accent, what should we practice? Well, it's all about clarity. Here are 3 things that I focus on instead of sounding native. Well, just sound like myself. Okay, the first one is word stress. In English, which part of the word you emphasize is more important than the sound of the letters. It's rhythm that helps people understand you. Like I talked in my last video about the rhythm that you can emphasize on the word, and you can make a different meaning in the same sentence. The second one is ending sounds. For our Thai speakers or other speakers who might often forget final s, t, or d, fixing those tiny endings does 90% of the work for clarity. And the last one is pacing. Don't rush. When we are nervous, we speak fast. Slow down. Give your listener time to catch your beautiful ideas. I'm still on this journey too. Well, there were moments I had rushed through the sentence and lose people completely, or drop a final sound and it changed the whole meaning of my word. So I had pause, slow down, and try again. In this time with intention, I had focused on the stress, the rhythm, the ending, and suddenly it clicked. That is when I remind myself, my voice is mine. My Thai background isn't thing to fix, it's a part of my story. So you can try in your next English conversation. Don't try to hide your accent. Just focus on being heard and be proud of where you come from. Well, I think that if everyone have the same accent, that's gonna be look so weird. So different people, different accent is the best. So we can find a cute accent or attractive accent. There will have so many us to listen to and it's fun. If you ever feel shy because of your accent, tell me in the comment. Let's support together. I'm Pim and this is from Thai to Try. Thanks for growing with me and see you in the next video. Bye bye.